Welcome to Experfy. This is an introductory course on machine learning. Our goal is to impart some basic knowledge about this important and evolving topic of machine learning to casual learners. The topics we will cover are history, introduction, challenges, learning types, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. We'll take a look at some applications and we'll conclude the course. In this introductory course to machine learning, we're going to learn about machine learning, including brief overview of history for a perspective on machine learning, understand what is machine learning and challenges associated with it, understand supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning to gain exposure to some of the techniques of learning types. We will look at application of machine learning that highlight supervised and unsupervised learning. Now, let us get started with a quick history of machine learning.